Uy, mga pare ko, anong nangyari dito? Bakit biglang namutla ang mukha ko? Nanginginig, tumilig ang balahibo. Gusto kong sumigaw, gusto kong tumakbo, palayo. Hoy, meron akong nakita sa babae na nagpapakita sa kusina di gabi. Yeah, may lady ang dating, okat-okat, nakakapranig. Aking inabangan, dahan-dahan nilapitan. Mula sa likod, bigla ko siya sinutupan. Ako'y napahiyan, nakilala ko kung sino. Sinanay na naman pala, akala ko bulto. Sa panaginip, yung kanin mainit, yung shot akong maginig, puno-puno ng sabit. Sa kwarto, ano ba naman ito? Sa gitna ng dilim, kabado na naman ako. Sakit paligid, meron nakatiti. Okat-okat, ako ay nanginginig. So ako ay tumahimik at ako'y kinabahan. Bumaba mula sa kama ko, dahan-dahan. Tabay ako sa ilaw at bigla kong pinsan. Salamin na pala, buti na lang. Tatay ko masungit, asong makulit, teacher ko nakakabwisit, ubod pa ng pangit. Lahat sa ating paligid ay kinakatakutan. Ito, engkanto at dayuhan. Mga pangyayaring hindi maintindihan. Kapag hindi maunawaan, o kato ka dyan. O kato ka dyan. Ayaw akong lubayan. O kato ka dyan. Wala akong kasalanan. O kato ka dyan. Sana naman ako pinantanan. Ayaw ko na ganyan. O kato ka dyan. O kato ka dyan.
Litcap Production.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rumba. 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 Woke up this morning with my pockets on E. Fuck being broke, man, that shit ain't for me. I'm looking for a lick, boy sitting on them bricks. When it rain in the club, get outside, jack boy shit. Me free in the dough, load that shit, hit the flow. Load that shit, that's for show. Cause if you do, them things will go.
I'm about to make a big withdrawal. Watches, chains, I want it all. Everybody turn to face the wall and I'm squeezing off if you buck me, dog. Now I won't gon' fuck with y'all, but it's too much money involved. Plus you been stunting, throwing up your money, you must don't want it all. I creep up like give me that. You don't deserve shit cause you's an idiot. A straight up lame to me, nothing that you claim to be and I pity that. Put us on the league. Sort of advice to all y'all ballers. That's how you get got for your
your shit. We slipping through the front, she slip out through the back. You slipping, now you tripping, cause this bitch got you jacked. Now them jack boys in that stripper going half on your stash. But as soon as that stripper slip, another leg. Give me that bitch.